Hey everyone, in this video we'll be going through text alignment. So we've got 3 paragraphs here, and each of them have their own class names. For example, the first one is named left, the second one is named right, and the third one is center. So if we go to style.css, so we have p dot representing it's a paragraph, so p dot left was the first class name. And then we'll have text align, we will align it to the left. And then the second one was named right, we will align it to the right. And the third one is named center. We will align it to the center. So if we save that and run that, so the first one was aligned to the left. The second one, which has gone off the recording section, it's aligned to the right. And the third one is aligned to the center in the screen. And we can also do it with IDs as well instead of class. So for example, we'll change the class to ID for the first one. So in this case, we won't need p dot. We'll just have a hashtag here, and it will display the same result.